Welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable aeroplane mode setting in our Redmi phone. Friends, we want to disable your aeroplane mode setting. So guys, how can you disable? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to disable aeroplane mode setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this mode setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your aeroplane mode setting. Friends, you want to disable this aeroplane mode setting, and friends, you want to remove this aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So how can you remove? Friends, you will have to click on get this aeroplane mode setting, right side this icon. Guys, aeroplane mode will disable, and friends, this aeroplane mode icon will remove on your screen. And friends, you can use your mobile data if you want to use. So like that guys, you can remove your aeroplane mode icon, and guys you can disable your aeroplane mode in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.